If you want to present your business professionally and attract clients or investors, then creating a company profile is very important. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional company profile using Canva in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open Canva and log into your account. On the homepage, click on Create a Design and search for Company Profile or Presentation. Canva offers ready-made templates that you can use to save time. Choose a clean and professional template that matches your business style. Once you select a template, start customizing it. Begin with your company name, logo, and tagline on the first page. This is the cover page, so make it visually appealing but simple. Next, move to the About Us section, where you describe your company, its mission, vision, and values. Keep the language clear and easy to understand. After that, add a section for your products or services. Clearly explain what you offer and how it benefits your customers. You can use icons, images, and bullet points to make this section more engaging. Then, include your achievements or milestones, such as years of experience, number of clients, or major projects. This builds trust with your audience. Next, add a team section if needed. Introduce key team members with their roles and photos. This adds a personal touch to your company profile. You can also include testimonials or client feedback to make your profile more convincing. Now, focus on design. Use consistent colors, fonts, and spacing throughout the document. Canva makes it easy to adjust everything with just a few clicks. Keep your layout clean and avoid overcrowding with too much text. Finally, add your contact details like phone number, email, website, and social media links. This is important so people can easily reach out to you. Once everything is ready, click on Share and then Download. You can export your company profile as a PDF for professional use or as a presentation if you want to present it directly. So in simple words, creating a company profile in Canva is easy. Choose a template, add your content, customize the design, and download your final file. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple design tutorials. See you in the next video.